Welcome to the InforMaven AI Update, a podcast for higher education administrators to discuss the practical use of AI and intelligent agents. I'm J.D. Mosley-Matchett, the founder and CEO of InforMaven, a company that helps you work smarter by harnessing the power of intelligent agents. And this month, our guest is Dr. Rollinda Thomas, Assistant Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs at Fayetteville State University. What was it like to learn AI automation using the InforMaven Method? When I invited you to learn how to develop AI-based applications using the InforMaven Method, what were your first thoughts and what was that learning experience like for you?
I have to say, and this is why it was so wonderful to get to work with you specifically, the InforMaven Method that you shared was just so user-friendly. It was so just a seamless experience. You personally brought your personality to it, that you were very patient. You were willing to explain things, which was very helpful for me. But another thing that also was really helpful was being able to watch you in real time tackle problem solving, that you were able to go into the system, you were able to query the system for anything that was needed, and you were able to problem solve right on the fly. And so it really modeled what that would look like in creating an AI project. And so I really appreciated that you provided wonderful, detailed, and illustrated instructions for me to follow so that I could, follow along with that or even work through it on my own time at my own pace. And so it was just really the InforMaven method was a great method for me to use as a visual learner. And so I really appreciated it.
Please visit InforMaven.ai to hear the entire interview.